Hey there, champions. Today we've got a simultaneous equations question on the table. Digits of a two-digit number sum to 10. The digit swap places, the number is 36 more than the original. What is the original number? I'm just going to point out that this question also says, can you show an algebraic solution? If this was on an exam or similar, it would say, show your solution algebraically. So this isn't a guess and check question. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is define my variables. We're talking about the digits of a two-digit number, so I'm going to say let x equal the first digit in the two-digit number and y can be the second digit. Lovely. All right, so first thing we'll do is come up with equation 1. So if we add those two digits together, they will sum to 10. So not the place value of the actual digits, like literally just the numbers in each of the spots there. If we take the first number, add it to the second number, we get 10. If I just rearrange that a little bit, I'll say y is equal to 10 take away x. And that could be equation number 1 for this one. Don't have to necessarily write it in terms of that, but I like to sort of aim for y equals something with mine. Now, the second part of this question is if the digits swap places, the number is 36 more than the original number. So not talking about the digits that are in each of the place value places in the number, it's the actual value of the number itself. So now we've got to shift our thinking a little bit. What I'll point out for this one is that for our first number, we've got x in the tens column and y in the units column. So the actual value for that number is going to be 10 multiplied by the number that's in the tens column. Makes sense, that's how many tens we've got, plus y because that's how many units we've got. So that's for number 1, the original number. Now if we swap around those digits and we put the original second digit into the tens column, it means that now we've got a number with a value of 10 lots of whatever that now first digit is, and then we're going to add x onto that. So because we've switched it around, we've switched around the place values as well. So now I can start on equation 2. So if the digits swap places, so I'll write my digit swap places number, or what I know about the number so far, 10y plus x. That's going to be equal to my original number, which is 10x plus y. But because the second number is 36 more, I'm going to have to add on 36 for that to be equivalent. Now I can start breaking this down a little bit. I'll take 1y from both sides, leaving me with 9y on the left-hand side. I'll take x from both sides, leaving me with 9x on the right-hand side. And I've got that 36 left over. Oh, that's pretty cool. Everything's divisible by 9. So I'm going to divide everything by 9. 9y divided by 9 is y. Do the same for x, gives us x. And 36 divided by 9 is 4. This can be equation 2. So now quite neatly, I've got y equals something for equation 1. Y equals something for equation 2. You could rearrange it and solve it via substitution. I'm going to go elimination for this one. So I'll say for this one, which way around do I want to do it? I'll say for this one, I'll go 1 take 2 for this one. So equation 1, take away equation 2. Okay, so that's going to leave me with y take y is 0. 10 take away 4 is 6. And negative x take away x is negative 2x. Bring that over to the right hand side is 2x equals 6, which leaves me with x equals 3. So if I think back to what I defined my variables as, so x was going to give me the first digit, so now I've just got to solve for y. I'm going to remember that y is equal to 10 take away x. Do a little label to say what I'm doing. I'm going to sub x equals 3 into equation 1. So that's going to give me y is equal to 10 take away 3, which of course is 7. I'll make my answer very clear. Worded question usually gets a worded answer. So therefore the original number is First digit 3, second digit 7, 37. And if you're feeling like being really clear, it would be a good idea to chuck a big highlight through so your examiner knows exactly what your answer is. Now we can check this against the question as well. Do the digits sum to 10? 3 plus 7 is 10. Yes. If the digits swap places, the number is 36 more than the original. You could check that quickly as well if you wanted to. 73, take away 37. Yeah, that looks like it's going to be 36 to me. Happy days, question complete.